I want to show you guys how to remove background from your image. Go to your Chrome search bar, type for remove background, remove BG, search for it, wait for it to load. Then this first link that appear, click on it. As you click on it, click on this upload image. Then it will take you to your gallery. Then search for the image you want to upload. As you can see, search for the image. Let me say this one. Then upload it. Wait for it to remove. As you can see, it have successfully removed. Then tap on this download here, tap on it, then tap on the free download. Something will pop up, see file downloaded. So that is how to remove background in your image.